Welcome to Tuesday Tips with RN2 Professors. Today's tips will be on identifying duplicate facts among options. Stick around and I'll show you how to spot them and give you a few examples. Sometimes, test questions are designed so that each option contains two or more pieces of information. Usually, identical or similar pieces of information appear in at least two of the four options. If you identify a piece of information as incorrect, you can then eliminate all the options that contain this piece of information. By deleting distractors, you can increase your chances of selecting the correct answer. Here are some examples to help you identify duplicate facts among options. This question is testing two concepts. The first is whether a vest restraint should be tied or untied when providing direct care. And the second is whether one or both sides of the rails should be lowered when providing direct care. If you know only that the side rails should be lowered just on the side on which you're working, you can eliminate options 1 and 2. If you only know that the vest restraint can be untied when the nurse is at the bedside providing direct care, you can eliminate options 2 and 4. In either case, you can eliminate two options as distractors, and you have an increased chance of selecting the correct answer from 25% to 50%. Here's another example. This question is testing your knowledge about clinical manifestations associated with hemorrhage. 3 client responses are presented: the condition of the skin, the blood pressure, and the characteristics of the pulse. If you know that hypotension is associated with hemorrhage, you can eliminate options 2 and 3. If you know that cold, clammy skin is related with hemorrhage, you can delete options 1 and 3. If you know that a weak, thready pulse is associated with a hemorrhage, you can eliminate options 1 and 2. If you only know 2 pieces of information, you can maximize your chances to correctly answer this type of question. Options that have 2 or 3 parts work to your advantage if you use the technique of identifying duplicate facts in options. That is your Tuesday tip. Check out the rest of my Tuesday tips on the playlist link or one of my many other NCLEX review videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to get notified for more videos.